Love this. Allow me answer this question. How much do you earn on social media? How much do you earn exactly per day? Can you estimate for us how much you earn? Do you get 100,000 Ugandan shillings? Do you get $100 Ugandan shillings? This is what we're going to briefly talk about it. This is an educational video. You can see I'm at the comfort of my home. You can see no earrings, no makeup, just natural. In fact, lights are off. The lights you're seeing, it's from the camera. So this video is educational purposes, and I felt this is the time for payments for social media. Facebook and YouTube, they always come from 21st to 26th of the month, of every month. So meaning you get this money that you worked for the previous month. It's like salary. If you're now in January, the salary for January will come in February. It's like that. It is carried forward. So this is also the same with social media. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from, depending the time you're going to watch this video. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So I've gotten this question and I felt, let me answer this question. It will remove the narrative of many things, and also it will make you know that social media is a project, is a business. So it depends on you. Yesterday I was on live based on Facebook and YouTube, Facebook and TikTok, and I got this question. Many people, this is what they always ask you. So guys, whoever is watching this video, this is a disclaimer. I'm not giving you 100% that you are going to get the breakthrough as far as your finance is concerned. No, the only thing I'm bringing for you the tips that have worked for me, the tips that are working for 1%. So whenever I bring them for you, it is up to you to go and make these tips, which are less than 10%, research, do your own doings, and start. If you want to make money, you can continue and make money. If you don't want, you can leave and go to another project. Not everybody is supposed to be in one project. But remember, with social media and making money with your smartphone is like any other business. There are two things that need to consider, or three things. You need to consider consistency, you need to consider focus, you need to consider the type of niche. The type of niche is like your product or service that you're going to be giving people. Now, when we come to the question of how much do you earn, but before I tackle this question, allow me appreciate all our top engagers, both on all social media platforms. I love you so much. Now, when you are talking about how much you earn, that question is very difficult. How much you earn depends on how much you want to earn, and to what extent are you yearning for this money. I'm making this video at 4 a.m. Someone at 4 a.m. you're sleeping. So it means the way you yearn for it is different from the way you yearn for it. Then also the type of niche. If you refer to our videos, I always tell you the 10 best high-paying niches. So the type of niche you give, because with social media, it does not pay for views. It pays for attention. It pays for retention. So attention and retention, where do they come from? Attention comes from what catches people to continue moving. Then it brings retention. That is view dilation. How long do they take to watch the video that you have put? Suppose now this video is for 9 minutes. How long is someone going to spend the time on? There are some people who will come, open and go, but there's someone who is going to come and watch up to 5 minutes. So if you find a video has average minute of 5 minutes and above and has 10 views, that one fear that person, that one is loaded, has money. Without forgetting also the RPM, the CPM. The RPM, I'm always telling you about the RPM and CPM, is cost per mile. The amount of money that advertisers pay per 1,000 views, and it is determined by many factors. If you're going to attract a potential advertiser, it means you need to be in the other high paid niches. We have like tutorials, we have education, we have reinvestment, we have analysis, we have lifestyle high end, we have there are many 10. If you go to our videos, you're going to find it there. So this is now where we come, and I want you to note it. You guys, don't be blinded by views. Most of us, we are chasing views. Whenever you see someone has like 100 views, you don't want even to look there. And it is even blinding the young creators who are coming, thinking views give money. Views don't give damn money. Views will give you money if it is views plus duration watched, then plus your niche. If those three are there, you'll get money. But if you find you have a good niche, you have your RPM, you'll get money more than the person with high niche, or more than a person with very many views, but with a low niche. Here we are not discrediting anybody, but we are saying, because it is seen that almost 90% of the creators who come, they drop off in the first 1 year of the operation. Why? They say, no, when will we get even $500? They say there's money, they give up. Why? They give up because they came in these common niches like comedy, common niches like politics, those common niches and analysis, those ones. Of course, by the time you go to reach $100, it will be a struggle for you. And this is across all platforms. Optimization is very important. Consistent is very important. So how much you earn depends on like 5 to 10, like 10 good practices, without focusing on views, on followers, and on subscribers. So if you ever want to be a social media entrepreneur, don't ask how much you earn, because I'll tell you how much I earn, and you'll come running, you end up being disappointed. And most people have not told you that. No, most people are going for interviews. When I give an example of like my country, Uganda, most people want to go to interviews without knowing, are you going for views or you're going for money? Will you supplement it? Will you compete? Because it depends on the competition. So guys, how much you earn is determined by a number of factors. It determines by your type of niche. It is determined by view duration. It is determined by the audience. It is determined by your language you use. Is it English, universal? It is determined by it is determined by how often do you come up, your consistency. There are very many and many others. I really recommend you to go and read some of the things. So guys, thank you very much. Let's see you in another video. Bye.